What drove this beat and what's driving your business right now as we recover from the pandemic?
Well, we're a home furnishings company. People are still spending a lot of time at home. They're still working from home, even if not all the time. I think what really drove it for us is our inventory in stock percentage is a lot higher than it was last year. It's not yet to pre-pandemic levels, but it's higher than it was last year. And that's because I think our vast distributed supplier network is helping us beat some of the bottlenecks in today's supply chain.
So just focus on it a little bit, because one of the things, of course, that you've been working on in the last year or two have been getting the product mix right, getting out of some areas and focusing on others. Is that part of what's paying off for you, a bit of streamlining?
Absolutely. We've become more focused. We're no longer a general retailer. We're a home furnishing company trying to provide dream homes for all. And as we've gotten out of some products, we've gotten better breadth and depth in the home category. We're selling a lot of mattresses. We had a great third quarter for outdoor furniture as people looked to extend their living spaces from the four walls of their home to the four corners of their property. So lots of activity in the home space.
How have you dealt with shipping? Are costs there getting to be a problem? And are consumers balking at, any orders because they're worried about returns?
So we are all about providing smart value. Our customer, she wants to know she's getting as much product as she can for the price. So we've worked very hard with our suppliers to keep costs down, even as inputs like shipping and labor have gone up. We've worked not to pass that on to the customer. And that's been appreciated. And I think it's why we're taking market share. As far as getting product to customer, we don't offer anything for sale on our site that's not ready to ship. It's not in a warehouse ready to ship. And as far as returns go, we try and make that as easy and as seamless a process as possible. A lot of it can be done self-service on the website. It's automated. Of course, we've got crack customer service representatives who can help people process a return. So I think as people get more comfortable buying furniture online, the technology is better, the breadth and depth of assortment is better, the descriptions are better. I think we're seeing a secular shift from brick and mortar to online for home furnishing purchases.
You know what they say for retailers: if Amazon gets into your space, you should be worried. If Amazon's not interested in your space, you should be worried. You've had a partnership with Amazon. It and Wayfair both are sizable competitive forces for you. How is that playing out right now?
Well, we're taking market share in the space. Last year, we were the number 5 online home furnishing company. This year, we're number 4. We continue to take market share in the third quarter. Both of the companies you mentioned are worthy competitors, but we think our smart value pricing and the customer service that we provide and the breadth and depth of products lets us compete with both those you mentioned and anyone else in the space.